kick out by Sheamus.
You have to remember, look at all the marks on Sheamus' back. These guys went to hell and back last night. And tonight, Roman Reigns is fighting for either the greatest prize in sports or saying goodbye to his dream.
And remember, Sheamus has the champion's advantage tonight.
Wow.
Roman Reigns has to pin or make Sheamus submit in order to win the championship. There's a rolling senton by Sheamus.
That's got to hurt Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns went through that table last night.
And Roman Reigns rolling out of the ring. Both of these men went through hell last night in the tables, ladders, and chairs match. Reigns with a right hand to Sheamus. You can still see the welts and the cuts and the bruises all over the back of Sheamus. Look at his tricep. Black and blues on his thighs and legs.
Remember, just like you said, Michael, if this gets counted out right here, Roman Reigns' career is over.
Roman Reigns has to win the championship tonight, and he's dropped right on our announce table. And just like that, Sheamus is in control. Went for the brogue. Superman punch! Superman punch!
Got the chair report! The hell's wrong with you, Roman? The hell is wrong with you?
Watch out!
Good night!
Oh my God!
Good riddance!
Roman Reigns!
Good riddance!
Kicks out! Roman Reigns kicked out! Reigns kicked out! Reigns is still in it! Reigns is still in it! Sheamus can't believe it! But Roman Reigns is alive! Reigns is alive!
There is a desire, there is a fire inside Roman Reigns that cannot be put out.
Sheamus going for the death blow. The brogue kick.
It's a good career, Roman.